Hey guys, today I'm going to make some turkey burgers in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. This will be nice and easy. I have a couple of pre-made turkey patties here, so those are all ready to go. And I'm going to cut up that zucchini, that yellow squash, and that red onion and put that in there with it as well. So let me get the vegetables cut up and we'll get everything in there. I put my turkey patties in the center and my veggies around the edge. I didn't add any liquid. Now I'm just going to season everything with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. I use this all the time. Besides pepper, it has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Alright, looks pretty good. Now we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes. It's been an hour and a half, so let's check on these. I think those are probably done. I don't want to dry them out. They look pretty juicy the way they are, so I don't want to dry them out. I'm just going to put the lid on and let them rest for a few minutes, and then we'll try them out. So I'm shutting it off right there. Alright, let's try this out. Baked a sweet potato in my toaster oven. Probably could actually put that in the pot with this. But anyway, let's try it out. Not too dry. Came out pretty good. Guess we better let Annie try it. Inhaled. One thing I like about using the slow cooker is it doesn't splatter all over the place. Plus you don't have to use any oil, so it's a little bit healthier. It does take a little bit longer, but it's pretty handy. I just plan ahead. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll write everything in the description. See you guys next time.